Understanding what clients really want from A professionals means going beyond technical buzzwords and diving deep into the genuine business problems that keep executives awake at night. It's about recognizing that clients don't hire AI experts because they're fascinated by neural networks or transformer architectures. They hire them because they need measurable solutions to specific challenges that impact their bottom line, operational efficiency, or competitive advantage. This understanding forms the cornerstone of building an impressive AI expertise portfolio because it shifts your entire approach from being technology-centric to being outcome-centric. When you truly grasp what clients value, you can position your skills, case studies, and project examples in ways that speak directly to their pain points, rather than showcasing technical prowess in isolation. Consider a retail client struggling with inventory management. They don't want to hear about the elegance of your machine learning algorithms. They want to know how your solution reduced their overstock by 30% and prevented stockouts during peak seasons, directly translating to millions in saved costs and increased revenue. Similarly, a healthcare organization implementing AI for diagnostic support cares less about your model's accuracy metrics and more about how it reduced diagnostic time by 40% while maintaining safety standards, ultimately improving patient outcomes and operational throughput. Industry surveys consistently show that clients prioritize practical problem-solving ability, clear communication of ROI, and demonstrable business impact over purely technical credentials. The most successful AI consultants are those who can translate complex technical concepts into business language and tie every technical decision back to measurable business outcomes. However, this client-centric approach can create tension within the AI community, where some professionals argue that focusing too heavily on immediate business applications might stifle innovation or lead to oversimplified solutions. There's also the challenge of balancing client expectations with technical realities, especially when clients have unrealistic expectations about AI capabilities or timelines. This understanding fundamentally influences every other aspect of your AI portfolio development. It determines which projects you highlight, how you structure your case studies, what metrics you emphasize, and even how you price your services. When you align your expertise presentation with genuine client needs, you create a portfolio that doesn't just demonstrate technical competence, but proves business value, making you an indispensable strategic partner rather than just another technical vendor. I'd be happy to provide a detailed explanation for your outline heading, but I don't see the specific heading you'd like me to analyze in your message. Could you please share the particular heading from your outline on building your AI expertise portfolio? What actually impresses clients that you'd like me to elaborate on? Once you provide the heading, I'll create a comprehensive 350 to 400 word explanation that covers clear definition and description, significance to the main topic, specific examples and real-world applications, supporting perspectives, potential challenges or alternative viewpoints, connections to other portfolio aspects. Please share the heading you'd like me to focus on, and I'll provide the detailed analysis you're looking for. Foundational skills that demonstrate AI competency represent the core technical and analytical abilities that serve as building blocks for more advanced artificial intelligence work. These skills form the bedrock upon which clients can assess whether a professional truly understands principles, rather than simply knowing how to use AI tools superficially. The significance of these foundational competencies cannot be overstated in today's market, where everyone claims AI expertise, but few possess genuine depth of understanding. The importance lies in differentiation and credibility. Clients increasingly recognize that effective AI implementation requires more than prompt engineering or using ChatGPT effectively. They need professionals who understand the underlying mechanics, limitations, and strategic implications of AI systems. These foundational skills signal to clients that you can navigate complex AI projects, troubleshoot issues, and make informed decisions about AI adoption strategies. Two specific examples illustrate this concept clearly. First, understanding machine learning fundamentals, including supervised versus unsupervised learning, training data requirements, and model evaluation metrics demonstrates you can assess whether an AI solution will actually work for a client's specific use case. A professional who can explain why a recommendation system needs collaborative filtering versus content-based approaches shows real competency. Second, data literacy skills including data preprocessing, quality assessment, and statistical analysis prove you understand that AI success depends heavily on data foundation. Being able to identify biased data sets or explain why certain data cleaning steps are necessary showcases genuine expertise. Industry experts consistently emphasize that clients value professionals who can bridge technical concepts with business outcomes. This perspective supports focusing on foundational skills rather than just surface-level tool knowledge. However, there's ongoing debate about how deep these technical skills need to be for client-facing professionals versus pure technical implementers. The main challenge lies in balancing depth with practical application. Some argue that excessive focus on mathematical foundations can detract from developing client communication skills or business acumen. Others contend that without solid foundations, professionals cannot provide reliable guidance on AI strategy and implementation. These foundational skills directly influence every other aspect of building an impressive AI portfolio. They inform project selection, case study development, and certification choices. More importantly, they enable authentic expertise demonstration through technical discussions, problem-solving approaches, and strategic recommendations that clients can immediately recognize as substantive rather than superficial. I'd be happy to provide a detailed explanation, but I notice you mentioned the following heading from an outline, but didn't include the actual heading in your message. Could you please share the specific heading you'd like me to analyze? Once you provide that heading, I'll give you a comprehensive 350 to 400 word explanation that covers all the elements you've requested: the definition, significance, examples, supporting opinions, challenges, and connections to building an impressive AI expertise portfolio for clients.